Well, the Clark Center is very important because I think it captures several things which I and most of my faculty colleagues believe in. First of all, I believe this is the century of biology, in the same way that physics was the discipline that really revolutionized the last century with everything from the creation of nuclear energy to the creation of semiconductors. So I believe biology will be, and it has the feel of a technology of a science that's really exploding as we begin to understand things in a much more quantitative, much more basic function than we ever did before. So the Clark Center is an attempt to understand that. It, like any other science, will need translation from basic science to applications of basic science, which is why we started the bioengineering department, which is why we built the Clark Center, to try to bring together people from different disciplines who will work on interesting problems. So this was certainly a gamble because we had to restructure the way we do things. After all, it's a building with 40 faculty from 20 different departments in it. That's a rather radical organization for universities which are based, which are put things on the basis of disciplines. But if you look back historically, this has happened in the past. Look at how many people in mechanical engineering, in civil engineering, in electrical engineering would cite physics as their grounding discipline. 50 years ago, 100 years ago, they would have been in a physics department. That's where they would have been doing that work. Today, those things have grown up in their own direction. And I think we'll see the same thing. The same thing will occur in biology. So because I believe both biology is growth, I believe the area, Stanford and our whole area, would vibrate from being as strong in the areas related to the biosciences and having the same kind of connections as we've had in the engineering disciplines and computer science. So I think it is a important move for us. It's obviously, it's a venture investment. It's a $100 million plus building. It's an investment in the future, and it's an investment in the faculty who we think will help, and the students who we think will help create that new future.